If you want to use back tap gestures on POCO F7, then first of all we need to open settings, scroll all the way down, and go to additional settings. After that, we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts, and over here we have back tap. So we're gonna go over here, and then we can set up double back tap and triple back tap. We can decide what should happen when we do one or the other. In this case, what I want to do is, for example, take a screenshot by double back tapping. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna go back to the home screen and I'm gonna tap over here in this area and let's see if that works. Unfortunately it didn't. Let's see if we can make it work somehow. There we go. So I double tapped over here quite firmly. So let's give it another try. There we go. So you might need to practice a little bit, but essentially if you tap probably somewhere in the center of the phone, you should be able to perform the action. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't, but definitely need some practice in order to make it work. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.